Hi guys, today my new topic for our Power Query series is intimation password. How to create intimation password. You know that we get intimation from income tax portal, and to open the document we have to put a password, and password is PAN in small case. In addition to this, you have to put date of birth or incorporation date in DD, MM, YYYY, 4 times Y format. So here we have a file or say table containing three columns: name of client, name of the client, PAN, date of birth slash incorporation. Now I will transfer this table into Power Query editor. For that I will click data from table, and this data is transferred to Power Query editor. I will do certain transformation. For date of birth I will change the format as a date. I'll replace. Now I will convert this date of birth in date, month and year format. For that I will use add column, then date column, then for year I will say select year and again year. So we got year of birth or year of incorporation in a separate column. Same way I will convert this date and month in a separate column. For that again I'll add column. First I'll select date, then I'll use add column, date. In a month I'll select month, I get month. Same way I'll select date, then add column, then date. Again I'll select day, and in day I'll select again day. So my basic data is ready for transformation. I don't want this date of birth, so I'll delete or I'll remove this column. I don't want. Then I will convert this PAN into smaller case. For that I don't need any separate column, so I'll use transform, and in a format I will select lowercase. So my PAN is available in lowercase. Now what is our next step? That where this month is in single digit, I need month as a 03 in first case. So we will use text formation, text transformation. For that we have to change the data type from number to text format. For that I will select these three columns, and I will convert this data type into text format. So my data is ready. I will delete this null value. To convert this month in two text digit or two letters, we have to use a m function. So my m function name is text.pad start, and its syntax is text dot pad start bracket text as a nullable text. So which text you want to convert, that you have to mention. Count as number, so how many counts you need. An optional character as a null value. For our first example, text as a nullable value is 3, because in particular cell the input is 3. Count as number, so how many counts you need? We need 2 counts, so my second option is 2. An optional character, so second character we need 2 character. We know we have one character, that is 3. So what is my second character? So second character is 0, so my third option will be 0. So let us see how to put this m function. So for that I will select month column, then I will use add column, custom column. My column name will be month dot or month underscore text, and my month m function will be text dot pad start. In pad start, p is a capital and s is also capital, open bracket, and my input is in month column, so I'll select month, comma, I'll select 2, why 2, that is I already explained, and nullable value is 0, and always anything you want to put which is in text, you have to always type in double quotes. Let us close the bracket. We get message node syntax error have been detected, so we can go ahead. Otherwise Power Query will not allow you to go ahead, and this OK button will not activate. So I'll select OK. Now we got month in a proper text which we want. Now same way we'll convert day. For that I'll select column, then add column, then custom column. I'll give name of this column as day underscore text, and my m function will be text dot pad start. I'll select day, then comma 2 comma 0 in double quotes. My system shows there is no syntax error have been detected, so I'll select OK. My text is ready. Now I will see, for a year we don't have any problem. Now my basic data for intimation is ready. I know my intimation format, so based on the format I will select the columns. So I will put control, then I'll select pan first. I'll select pan column, then day, then month, then year, then I'll select transform and merge column. System is asking me, do you want any separator? I don't want any separator, so I'll skip, and my column name, the new column name will be, which I wanted as intimation password. I'll select OK, and my intimation password is ready. I will select these 2 columns and remove the columns. Since my data is ready, I will use file, close and load. 7 rows are loaded. Now if I have this much data with me, so I'm just selecting this whole data and copy just below the existing file, and if I refresh, you will get 433 rows filled with a proper intimation password. Just now we have seen how to create intimation password. Still, there is one more method which can be used for same work. So I'll show you how to do it. So for that I will use data from table, and this time I will use this data with first I'll do the transformation of date, replace current, then I will remove this nullable value, and I will use add column. Instead of this custom column, I will select column from example. Now it asks me add column from example. Enter sample value to create new column. Control plus enter to apply. Now our output is depend on this PAN column and date of birth. There is nothing to do with this name of the client. So I'll unselect this column. And I will give hint to Power Query about my output. So there is inbuilt AR and artificial intelligence. So with the using of this technique, Power Query will come to know what is our expectation. So I will type PAN number is small case A G F E 7603 M. Then my date of birth will be 15/03/2016, and I will select OK. Now if you see, the second part is PAN. The PAN they have transformed in a smaller case in a perfect manner, but the system kept date of birth as 15th March only. So I'll go here and I will change. Instead of 1503, I will type 29091962 and I will click. Now just check third one PAN is correct, and based on these two examples, system has calculated our password. So my work is over. I'll select OK. My additional column will be created with my password, which is very easy task. So I'll select these two column, I'll remove, and I'll change the name of our output as password intimation or intimation password. I will close and load. My data is ready. Both the places 7 rows are added. I will add fresh data below the, say I'll only select few data and just paste it, and if I press data and refresh all, then 25 rows are added in our latest file, same way here. So this way you can create intimation password, and both the example will be useful, and you can use both the examples in your day-to-day practice. I hope you will like this video, And in case of any difficulty or any suggestion, you can write to me on my email id, ask to csatish@gmail.com. I'll be uh, I'll reply your queries, and in case you need any further clarification, I can make a fresh video where I'll be able to show the solutions on your query. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and press bell icon so that you will get future notification well in advance. Thank you.